Today we're setting up a custom issue type specifically for managing test cases. This will help streamline our testing process and keep everything organized within the same project. First, navigate to your project settings. Head over to Issues in the Project Admin section, then select Issue Types. Click on Add Issue Type. Name it Test. You can choose to create your test case as a standard issue or a subtask within the story. For this demonstration, we'll select Subtask to keep test cases directly tied to the user story. To make the test issue type visually distinct, you can assign it a custom icon. Once you've created the test issue type, you need to add it to your project's issue type scheme so it's available in your workflows. Go to Issues Issue Type Schemes, select the scheme used by your project, and add Test to it. This step ensures that Test will appear as an option when creating issues in your project. Next, navigate to Workflows. You'll want to assign a workflow to your test issue type that reflects the stages of your testing process, like to do, in progress, and passed or failed. Now that you've created a workflow specifically for test cases, you'll need to add it to your project's workflow scheme. Go to Issues Workflow Schemes, select the scheme associated with your project, and click Edit. Assign your test workflow to the test issue type, then publish the changes. This ensures that your test issue type follows the designated workflow, allowing you to track testing progress accurately. Once your test issue type is set up, navigate to a user story where you'd like to add test cases. In the story's options, select Create Linked Issue or Subtask, choose Test as the issue type, and fill in the test case details. This links your test case directly to the user story, making it easy to track testing progress.